Okay, today we're talking about Notes 5A, literal equations. We've separated this into 2 days because y'all are going to look at this and y'all are going to say, oh, this is so easy. And then the second you get started working on it individually, you're going to be like, oh, I have no idea what I'm doing. So literal equations are equations like formulas that really only have numbers. They're not full of letters like we've had, or not. They're the opposite. They're full of letters, not numbers. Okay? So like formulas. I'm getting all confused, right? So a literal equation is something like x minus c equals a, and they tell you to solve for x. Okay? So this is just, all it is rearranging the problem. We're not really solving for x in the terms of like, we're not going to have one answer. We could have like a multitude of things. So if I want to get x by itself, what would I have to do?
Add c to each side?
I would add c to each side. Well, are a and c like terms? No. So can we add them together? So I could simply put a plus c, right? I can add those together. Well, I solved for x. That's my answer.
Is that it?
I'm telling you, Emily, right now, I'm telling you, you say that's it. But when you get this assignment, that first problem, you're going to be like, Ms. Morgan, I don't know what I'm doing.
X and then change the sign.
Flip x in it, yeah, kind of. Okay, let's look at another one because I want you to see multiple of them. 3x equals m. Solve for x. So what do you think I should do to get x by itself?
Divided by 3.
Divided by 3. So I get x equals, is m and 3 like terms?
No.
So I can just put m divided by 3. Now there's another way I can write this. Does anybody know how I can write it a second way?
1/3 m.
Mm-hmm. 1/3 m. Okay, so that 1/3 and it's divided by 3. Remember there's like an invisible 1 up here. We call it an assumed 1. So there's like a 1 here. And the 3, and then this m really kind of has a 1 underneath it, because anything divided by 1 is itself. So that's how we can get the 1/3. Any questions right now? Okay, so let's look at another one. I've got y divided by 3 equals h, and we're going to solve for y. So how would I do that? Multiply by 3 on both sides. Y equals h3, or what it's more likely to look like, y equals 3h. This way, the 3h is going to be your most common one, but you also may see it as h3 instead of 3h. Questions so far? Okay, so let's look at the last problem. I've got AXB equals C. Solve for A.
Divided side by b.
Nope. Okay, what is going on between the A, the X, and the B? They're all being multiplied together. So how would I get rid of the X and the B? I would divide by both X and B. If you take them separately, it's going to get you like It's just gonna be too confusing because you're gonna have division on division on division. So are C, X, and B, are any of those like terms?
No.
No, so A just equals C divided by XB.
So basically, you solve the equation without solving it, you just kind of do basically step one and then.
And you do step one and then you stop. Now, we made it today is one step. So you do one step and then you're done. When we come back on Tuesday, because tomorrow, remember, we're doing our quiz. When we come back on Tuesday, it'll be multi-step, so you'll have a couple of steps, 3 or 4 sometimes.
Should be super hard.
Shouldn't.
Yeah.
Shouldn't.